Hey, BIM1 students, this is Mr. Colbert. We're going to be working with lesson 6.4 in Access. We're going to be creating a table and modifying the design of it to add and remove fields. So we're going to start Access. And we are going to create a blank database. The name of the database is Coasters. We're going to change that to the H drive, so it'll be on the network. You can see that Access adds the ACCDB extension. Click that. H. Okay. And hit create. Okay, remember tables are the simplest things that you can have inside of an Access database. It gives you one table by default. We're going to flip over into Design View. It will give you an ID field of an auto number data type. You don't need to mess with that field, just leave it just like it is, and then add the fields that they give you. Okay, so for the height in feet, they want that to be a number. They also want you to come down to the properties and change the properties to standard with 0 decimal places. Year is going to be short text, and coaster type is going to be short text. So I'm going to go to Datasheet View. Before we go to Datasheet View, it'll ask to save changes. So we can see that right there. We need to adjust some of these column widths just a little bit, like so. Okay. The next thing they want us to do is they want us to delete this field called coaster type. So whenever you want to delete a field, we go back to Design View, we select the field that we want to get rid of by clicking on this box to the left, right click and delete. If you have any data that's in that field, you're going to get a message that says, are you sure? If you delete a field, you also delete all of the data that's inside that field. They want us to add a new field after height, height in feet. So we're going to insert a row here, and we're going to do height in meters. Also going to be a number field in standard format with 0 decimal places. So we're going to flip over, save. Okay. So this is what you'll get. And then you'll go in and type the data that they give you. Make sure that you adjust column widths to adjust to get that. And that's that. Let's see, one thing we do need to fix. Height. Let's see, I'm not sure why that's not doing that. So we'll click that and move it over. So that's how that goes. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.